I'm Jordan.
And I'm Hannah.
And we are Shoestring Science.
And today, Jordan, we are going to play a fantastic game. I'm so excited.
Ooh, I love games. What kind of game are we playing?
So we're going to play Poison Cookie.
That doesn't sound good. That sounds dangerous.
All right. So I'm lying a little bit when I say Poison Cookie. Poison Cookie is another name for this really ancient and really fun math game called NIM.
Okay, sure. I haven't heard of NIM before, but really old. Anything else about it?
Actually, it's a really cool game because there are tons and tons of variants within the version we're going to play. You can either play it where you are or are not trying to take the last thing.
Okay, sure. And is there only one pile of things?
Well, so the version of NIM that we're going to play, yes, there's a single pile, a single heap. But NIM's the type of game called a pile or heap game. So sometimes you play with more than one heap, more than one pile.
Okay, sure. And I feel like this is a strategy game like chess, if it's that old.
Yeah, there's an awful lot of strategy involved. And in the single pile game, the Poison Cookie game that we're going to play, the strategy is a lot quicker to see. But the multi-pile game has a really fun strategy as well.
Okay, cool. Well, let's start with the single pile.
Yeah.
What do we need to set up?
So you're going to set up 12 cookies, and we're going to actually use the last cookie as a different color.
Okay.
But you can also play with that last cookie being the same as everything else.
Okay, sure. So let's get our cookies set up.
All right, so we have our cookies completely set up. So the way we're going to play is we're going to take turns taking cookies. And remember, we don't want to take that last cookie.
Okay.
But in any turn, you can only take a total, one person can only take a total of 3 cookies.
Okay.
Which means you can take 1 cookie, you can take 2 cookies, or you can take 3 cookies.
All right, seems easy enough.
Yeah. So do you want to go first, or do you want me to go first?
I'll go first.
Awesome.
All right, so I'm going to start taking 2 cookies.
All right, so I'm only going to take 1 cookie.
All right. I'm going to up it. I'm going to take 3. I'm going to take my whole amount.
Wow. That puts me in a very tight spot, but I think I am only going to take 1 cookie again.
Okay. So now there's 5 cookies left, and I don't want the last one.
Don't want the last cookie.
Okay. So I can take only 1.
I'm going to take 3.
Well, now I've lost. Hang on, could I have done that last move differently?
Well, we can take a look. I'll put my 3 back.
My 1 back.
Take
Okay.
1 to 3.
What if I take...
I'm going to take 2, and you still get that last cookie.
What if I take all 3, though?
If you take all 3, you leave me 1 cookie to take.
Okay, let's try that again.
All right, put all of them back. Okay.
All right. I started with 2 last time,
You did.
so I'm going to try with only 1 this time.
Only 1. All right, I'm going to take 2.
Okay. I'm going to do only 1 again.
Only 1. All right. I am going to take 3.
Okay, and now I take...
I've gotten you back down to 5.
I'm in the exact same position as last time. Okay, so I will take all 3,
And I'm going to take my 1.
and I will get the poison cookie again. All right, so I'm 0 for 2. You said there's a strategy to this game.
There is a strategy to this game. Hold on, there's one that's just not fitting in there. There we go. Awesome. There is a strategy to this game. And I will admit, I don't often play the version where you don't want the last one. So the strategy is a little trickier in this way.
Okay.
But my goal here, my whole goal is to get you down to 5.
Yeah, because I can't win if there's 5.
Right. So with you going first, so long as you take less than 3 cookies, I'm going to make sure my total is 3. So if you take 2, I'm going to take 1. I only want you up to 3.
Okay. So what would happen if I did open by taking all 3 cookies?
So if you took all 3 cookies, that leaves me in a really tricky spot, right? Because I can hope that if I only take 1, you're going to take 1, and I can get back down to that total of 4, because my next move is to try to get 4, because I'm trying to get you to 5.
Okay.
So if I take 1, and you take 2, for example, I'm gonna take 1, and
Okay.
you're back at 5. If I take 1 and you take all 3, then I'm at 5.
And then you have to take any number, and then I can win.
Exactly.
Okay, so whoever gets the other one down to 5 forces a loss.
As far as I can tell with this version, yes.
Okay. Huh, that's a lot of counting.
It is tons of counting. But it's 3, 4, 5.
Well, that's easy enough to remember. Okay, so that was a 12 cookie variant of poison cookie.
It was, yes. And you could see it was pretty fairly balanced, right? So long as we both knew the strategy, which we did,
Yeah.
there was a chance either of us could win based on how we played.
Yeah, absolutely. But you said that there were other versions of this game, too.
There are so many other versions of this game. And in fact, there's even a way that you could manipulate the game that we just played so that if you played with perfect strategy, you would always win.
Really? So you don't always have to play with 12 cookies?
No, you can change the number of cookies, and remember, there can be different end goals as well.
Oh, so we could play a game where I do want that last cookie.
Yeah, and there is a definite strategy there.
Really? That's cool. I wonder if anyone can think of any strategies or game setups that let you have a 100% winning strategy.
Yep, and if you would like to check us playing NIM in a different variant, come visit us at the Virginia Tech Science Festival on Saturday, November 16th.
Yeah, so if you're in Blacksburg, come check it out.
Otherwise, I'm Hannah,
And I'm Jordan.
and this is Shoestring Science.